Are you going to erase, Max? Erase all over. Good job. Now can you guys draw a letter?
Circle.
Circle. Did Max draw a circle?
Circle.
Can you do a letter?
Ladder. Ladder.
What letter is that?
S.
Oh, was that an S?
Yo.
It's a U. Can you erase? Do you like your easel? That's good. Jacob, can you draw a J again?
Body. Body. Body.
Can you draw your J again? Do you have chalk in your mouth? Spit it out.
What that?
You can't put it in your mouth. Here's more. No putting it in your mouth. You have to color with it. Draw a J, Jacob. I know that's a really tiny piece, isn't it? Can you draw a circle? Circle? Wow, good circle.